This tutorial outlines how to create note cards in NoodleTools. On the library homepage, under Research and Citation Guides, you will find a collection of NoodleTools print tutorials. This tutorial will cover the same information found in the NoodleTools Creating Note Cards guide. For in-depth information on the procedure for taking notes and sample note cards, consult the History Research Project, a manual for students, found on the library homepage under Research and Citation Guides. You must have a citation created before you can begin note cards. For each citation, you can list as a secondary or primary source by clicking the Tags button. The book Origins of the Urban Crisis is a secondary source, and I will select this. Create a note card by clicking New to the right of the citation. This can also be done on the note card tabletop. You want to create a title for the note card. My title for this note card will be Unresolved Problems of American History. Most importantly, add the page numbers of the information found on the note card. This is done in the right-hand corner. You can also create tags for this note card. The tag for this note card I'll call Segru Argument. There are three types of information you can supply: direct quotation, paraphrase, and my ideas. I will enter a direct quotation. For additional examples of note cards, consult the History Research Manual found on the library homepage under Research and Citation Guides. When you are done, click Save and Close. You can return this note card by clicking on the note card icon next to this resource.